Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Roghni Naan. This recipe serves about 4 to 6 people. For this recipe, you would need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 3/4 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg yolk, some sesame seed, and you will also need some water. In a mixer, add all-purpose flour, yeast, salt, sugar, baking soda, and dry milk powder. Mix well. Next, add yogurt, butter, and oil. And mix. Then add warm milk gradually to make the dough. Then add a little bit of warm water gradually to make the dough to desired consistency. Knead the dough on high speed for 5 minutes. Apply a little bit of oil on your hand and then make a ball with the dough. Once the ball is made, add a little bit of oil on the top and cover. Let it sit until it doubles in size. Make sure to place the dough in a warm place. When the dough is done, remove from pot and divide the dough into about 4 pieces. Cover and leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dough will look like this. Flatten the dough to desired size using your hands. Then start making shape using your hands. Then add egg yolk, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. You will bake the Roghni Naan in the oven on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We are baking the naan on the pizza stone, but if you do not have a pizza stone, you can use a pizza pan or a baking sheet. Apply a little bit of butter to keep the Roghni Naan soft. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.